Hello, my name is Eduardo Alcántara, and I'm going to talk about the global warming. In a fast way, why I chose global warming, because I think it's a very important topic that it has to be discussed in many ways as possible, because many people don't know what are the real implications and risks of this global warming. And as we can see, many countries ignore these implications and they are only interested in economic issues, not um, in the future of this planet. Well, first of all, I will talk about what is the global warming. The global warming is the increasing temperature due to the acceleration process of the greenhouse effect. What is the greenhouse effect? It's a natural process that the Earth has, that it receives many rays from the outer space, and these rays are returned from the Earth, and when they are returned, they return to the atmosphere at this ozone layer. The thing is that if there are too many gases in this layer, then many rays from the sun are trapped in this earth, and if they are trapped, they can damage the ozone layer and they rebound to the earth. This causes an increase of temperature. I have talked about what is this problem, but first of all, I will talk about many different organizations trying to solve this problem. There are two different NGOs. It exists Environmental Defense Fund and Greenpeace. Greenpeace is one of the most famous organizations around the world that tries to abolish this kind of problem, but the main thing is that many people does not seem to be interested in this. Despite the NGOs, despite of talking of the NGOs, I would like to talk about the Committee on the Environment and Development. This is an organization from this is a committee from the United Nations that tries to solve these problems. But apparently, every solution that has been proposed are being ignored by by the most powerful countries all around the world. For example, it's the United States, and the United States doesn't seem to care very much about this problem. So, what are some kind of solutions that can be provided? I'm going to talk about the solutions that we can say for each person, not by the country, because it would be pointless. Well, first of all, we have the cars. The less we use them, it's better. But if we have to use a car, we have to get not a new car, but we have to get a recent car in order to don't pollute a lot. We can eat less meat because a meat pollutes a lot. If a family of 4 that decides to cut their meat intake in half could avoid roughly 3 tons of emissions annually. We can operate a refrigerator and air conditioner, and we can apply the 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle, and reuse. I think we all know the point of this. And to finish this, I would like to say 8 facts that everyone should remember. First of all, global warming was discovered by scientists, not by demagogues. Second, the Earth's natural resources are destroyed by global warming, deforestation, and pollution. Third, weather conditions have been affected by global warming. Fourth, many cities have been affected by sea level rise. 5. Our planet is wrapped in a mass of gases, mainly by human activity. 6. Green solutions are being ignored by many countries. 7. The change will only be made by the person who wants the change. 8. A better place will be made for you and for me if we all change our minds.